My name is Yari'i of the Arawani tribe, and today is the day I become a man. Tonight I walk between the worlds of man and spirit, to face my past and shape my future. Now it is time. I must become one with the jungle, or lose myself forever. Where am I? What is this place?
Follow me, my son, deep into the jungle. Fear wraps around your heart like a cursed vine. It grows because you feed it. To release yourself, you must remember its root. Only then will you sever it. The fire you see is not just the forest burning, it is your spirit in turmoil. Find courage within the flames. Let instinct be your guide. The jungle lives through you. Its roots are your strength. To lead your tribe, you must understand you are the jungle, and its potential flows through your veins.
You see me now, child. Awake, and let the power of the forest flow through you like a river. Only when you merge with its pulse will you know your true strength. To fly, you must free yourself from fear. Only then you can rise beyond it. The jungle is more than trees and rivers. It is creation itself. That same creation resides within you.